I've come to notice that everything clicked when I started applying reversal patterns as my entry confirmations. So guys, I took this buy trade on Crash 1000 index and I shared this buy signal to my VP members. I used reversal pattern formation to predict the buy move on this index. I got my entries here, which we can see price has been playing out nicely well. So firstly, I did a proper analysis on a higher time frame. I went to the daily time frame and saw that this index has been in an uptrend for a very long time. This index is actually bullish on a bullish phase, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. So identified the market support levels and the trend resistance levels, would say trend support levels and trend resistance levels in this uptrend market, putting the market direction in place. So this index is clearly in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. So the next thing I did was to go to the 4-hour time frame and identify the potential trade levels. So on the 4-hour time frame, the market created series of levels which are possible buy levels basically, because the market is in an uptrend. Our interest and focus is only on the buy side of the market. So the first level the market created was at this point, having price react on this level a couple of times as a resistance before we got a breakout of it. Always emphasize on identifying levels of resistance that got broken turn support in an uptrend market for buy opportunities, and levels of support that got broken turn resistance for sell opportunities in a downtrend market. Whenever the market is in an uptrend, I usually have these buy expectations of the market. So we got this index in an uptrend, which triggered my buy interest, the buy interest I got on this index. So identify the levels the market created on the 4-hour time frame, levels of resistance that got broken turn support. You can see the first level the market created was here, right? So I used these levels, I used this market structure, market formation to predict the next move, because that's what price analysis is all about, using past market reactions, formations, and levels, zones basically, to predict the next market moves and market direction. So we got price still on that level resistance here as well. Three reactions on that level resistance before it got broken and retested. The first retest we got was the buy move that followed up. We got price buy on the retest of this level. Someone who predicted the buy move on getting the retest of on this level is definitely making good money from this move, right? So also got another retest here as a support, which price still bought to the upside. So afterwards, a new level was formed, a level of resistance which you still need to spot. So we should at least get two reactions on this level, confirming this level to be a level of resistance like we got here. We got two reactions. First sell reaction here, second sell reaction, the third one, and price broke out of it afterwards. So we have to do the same thing here. First reaction, second one as well. Second reaction there, resistance, before we got a break above it. So we confirm this level to be level of resistance. So price broke above it, coming to give a retest on it here for the buy move. So imagine you bought this index on this level using this simple market. I will definitely making good money from this market. I've closed most of my buy positions and profit. That's the reason why I'm comfortable making a video on the buy trade I took. I only have about 10%, 10 to 20% rolling up in profits, which I'm safe because my stop loss is above my entry. Though this index is not going to respect stop losses, but in some cases it do, especially when price is far above your entry point. So I'm very much safe in this trade. I expect price to react on this level, this line I marked out here. I expect a reaction on this zone. That's why I got that level marked out. Long-term buy is expected on this index in the coming hours and days. Right, so coming back to the 4-hour time frame, got this level confirmed as level of resistance for price, broke out of it, came to give a retest support. We also got another reaction on this level as a support. So imagine you took the buys here, good profits made, and that buys at this point with confirmations on this zone, good profits made as well. So we got a new level which the market formed. Just apply this strategy, you see how effective and profitable it can be on the long run. So we got price but on this level, support. Firstly, we confirm this level of resistance. First sells, second sells here as well. Sorry. Second sells at this point, resistance, and the third sells there before price broke out of it, came to give a retest, the first buy, second buy. So if price buys on our levels twice, that's enough, right? So we shouldn't be looking out for trade opportunities on the 30th of that level. So after the second buy, we set price to continue in its original direction basically. So we got a new level formed here, a level of resistance which we've got reactions on. First reaction, resistance, let's spot it as well. First one, price, another level resistance, second reaction here, resistance as well, before price broke and retested its support, then we got the buy. So the new level the market formed was at this point, new level of support, Level of resistance basically that got broke on support. We got the first reaction, resistance for price broke above it, came to give a retest on this level for the buy reaction support for the buy move. First got this little buys, second buys, and now the third buys on that level, which I took my buy trade on. So I looked out for a bullish formation here to get into the trade because I expected the buys on this index. So all I needed to do was to wait for the market to present a bullish structure, a bullish reversal pattern formation on my buy zone to take the buy. So this is where the reversal pattern formation entry came in, and how I took the buy trade using reversal pattern formation and how effective these reversal patterns can be. Right. So I spotted this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation on the 15-minute time frame, getting price, create the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder here basically is the neckline that got broken. So on price breaking above this neckline, breaking and closing above the neckline, I took the buys on this index. Over $1,000 made on this little buy move with my capital of 500 USD. You just got a spike, a crash, a downside. Like I said, I expect the reaction on this level, which we just got right now, and I'm safe in the trade. So I'm likely to close these few positions in profit before we could get another spike. So if price can break past this level, would get more buys. But for the meantime, we've leveraged on this reversal pattern formation, took advantage of it for a good buy move on this index. So this is how I took the buy trade on this index. Very simple market approach, simple production market approach basically. To apply this, implement this, and watch out for good results. So on the break and retest of this level, we'll be taking more buys on this index. So if I'm to take the buys, I'll still update you guys on my entries at this point with confirmations as well applied here. Regardless of the spike to the downside, long-term buys expected on crash 1000 index in the coming hours and days. So far, this index is still in an uptrend, would see more bullish moves. So for more trade reviews, like and market breakdown, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Let me salute, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.